Hi everyone, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to reuse cardboard and create a floral lantern decoration. Okay, so you'll need two 3 by 3 inch square sections. You'll need Mod Podge. You'll also need some acrylic paint. I'm using white. And then I have some craft sticks here. I'm using 10 of them. And I also have some artificial flowers. And I'm also using some decorative tissue paper. And then I have one small bead, a paintbrush, scissors, and hot glue. Okay, so let's start off by applying some acrylic paint to the square sections. So now we're ready to cut the tissue paper. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to cut a section of my decorative tissue paper. And then after doing that, we will be using some Mod Podge to add the tissue paper to the two square sections. After adding the tissue paper to the square sections, we're going to take some hot glue and add on 4 of the craft sticks to one of the square sections. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to take a craft stick and glue it to one of the corners on the square section, and I will repeat that with the other 3. Okay, so now that we have attached the 4 craft sticks to the square section, we're going to take the second square section and we're going to attach that to the top section of the 4 craft sticks. Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to take the remaining craft sticks and we're going to create an X shape with the craft sticks on both the sides and the back of the lantern. Okay, so next what we're going to do is we're going to add the small bead onto the top section of the lantern. Now we're ready to add some acrylic paint to the craft sticks and the bead. For the last step, I decided to add a few loose flowers to the top of my lantern. Once you have placed your flowers on the top of the lantern, you can take a battery-operated candle and insert it inside of the lantern, and you can also add some additional flowers. Thank you all so much for stopping by and creating with me. I hope you have enjoyed this fun DIY project. I'll see you soon.